Are you in need of a website, or does your company have a website, but it's sort of dull? Well, we are here to help you help yourself. We can help you design, build, and launch your new website, a website that is fully interactive with video, text, images, blogs, a shopping cart, and whatever else you want. We've helped customers get their ideal website, and guess what? It costs a lot less than you think. And you can do it yourself with our 3-step process. All you need is a web host to host your site. We recommend Green Geeks and they give you a free domain name. And we recommend Elegant Themes Site Builder. It's not free, but after 40 years with websites, I think it's the best on the market using WordPress, which is the top site building platform. These days you can simply build your own new dynamic website for your business, product, or service in less than an hour and look like a $5,000 to $10,000 website without having monthly occurring fees like Big Daddy or tricks, etc. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. What you need to get started will be listed in the links below. Thank you, Oran Z.